County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Lewis County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Maury County in Middle Tennessee, central Perry County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Centerville, Linden, Lobelville, Cummins, Pleasantville, and Williamsport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property.
I do just want to take a look at the rotation detector just in case. We are taking a look here at rotation.
The storm